Hey, what's up, my new subscriber? Welcome to Ish Motor Part. This is the manual transmission 2007 Toyota Yaris. So today's video, I am going to change the right-left emergency brake cable on this little girl. So if that's what you're looking for, stay tuned and let's get very dirty. So today I'm actually changing out the whole system. Here's the drum, the shoes, hardware, and the other stuff over here too. But let's focus on this side. So the part number on this is the hope you can see it, C660980. And on the that was the right rear. And this should be the left rear over here. So the part number on this is C660979. So both of these are from Amazon.com. As you can see, this one over here comes with a box, and the right rear did not come with a box. It looked like they just got off the shelf and put in that envelope and sent it to me. Hopefully this is okay. And this is the doorman, but this one over here I have no idea, but it looks the same quality, everything. So this is the reason why am I changing the whole system out. As you can see, it's falling apart everywhere, the whole thing, including the brake cable. As you can see inside, everywhere it's falling apart right here. See, this is the reason I'm changing my out over here. See that cable, it's all the way up, doesn't hold anything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just remove this bolt over here, just like that, and then remove it here as well. All right, and then raise it up and remove the axle coil from the box just by putting your finger right here. We good. Here you go, it's up. Now after all that, just put both hands on both sides over here and then pull it out this way, out that way, and then up. We good. Here you go, it's up. And now just raise it up somehow like this. It's that simple. Now you got access to the cable back here, right here, and that is the cable adjustable over there. You may or may not use it, but leave it like that at the moment. Now here I am on the back seat. This is what I'm actually dealing with. The driver side will not go back when you let it go. So as you can see right there, it's not doing anything. As I said, I'm going to change both sides, but I am going to focus on the driver side today over here, which really it is the same process. You have to remove all this and everything else at the bottom. It's the same process. Okay, in my case, I gotta remove this over here to remove the other piece over there. Alright, that's out. The reason you remove this rod over here is because this plastic have to come out to release the cable inside here. Now take this plastic off just by pushing over here on the bottom and pop it out there. That was easy. Now we can pop these guys out over here. I can do it with one hand. Now here they are. Only thing left to do is unscrewing in the bottom. Now you can remove this bolt right here and then up there there's another one over here, right there, and then last one over here. I think the boat is inside somewhere, I can see it, but and then there is the entrance right there. So that's left to do over there. As you can see, it's the same. Now you can go ahead undo this screw over here. And then this one right here, up here, right here. They all take 10mm shallow socket. Okay guys, I run into some trouble over here. Since the bottom of this car it is so rust out, it's really bad. So this bolt over here, it just keep tuning and tuning. There's no way to come up, as you can see right there, it keep tuning. Same thing with that one over here as well, it did not come out right here. So now I'm not going to remove this one. I just want to leave it there to hang on there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just to open this one with some kind of a pry bar or something, and I can slide my new one inside this hook over here. Same thing with this one, hopefully it will stay in there. If not, I'm just going to use the brake fluid line and zip tie on there. I'm not trying to do perfect on this job because this is very rusty, and this car, it will go down anytime soon. As you can see over there, this is rust really bad underneath here. But the good thing, this one over here come up okay right here. So this is the most important one because it needs to be here to hold the cable through here to the drum. And then there's another bolt inside here, I will show you in a minute. Guys, I am running in all kind of trouble today. Let me show you what it is. As you can see, this little Toyota Yaris, it is rust out in the bottom. So when I was trying to move all this bolt over here to move the cable, everything popped out, as you can see right here. So you can see it right there. This over here, right there, see, I was trying to open this one so I can use it for the new one, but it come out from the bottom instead of staying in there to hold the next cable. But this one here, it come out good, it's okay now. See, I can slide it out and then put the new one in there. Now let's just say we are on your side, everything come out okay. Now just pull this cable out right here. Make sure you get the screw out like that right there. Here's the cable from the inside. Now pop this open with a flathead screwdriver. Up like that. Not sure come out. Good right there. Now this is the new one for the driver's side. Now let's slide the new one back in. Slide it in just like this. Put the hole and then put the screw back on right there. Now line this one back up over here. Like that. Make sure it snaps in there. Alright, before you put it back in that clip in there, do over here first. You have to remove the brake shoes and then unscrew it from here. Here you go. Now since this one it's seized out, it will not give me enough room to push it back to get this one off. So I'm going just to cut it right here with the bolt cutter. Now it's out. Okay, just unscrew this one and she'll come out. Just like that, and then pull this one out. Now you can go ahead, slide this one back into place. Okay guys, I take this one back. Do not put this in yet until you run through here first, because it's kind of hard to do it because it needs to go back a little bit, but it'd be easier not to do it yet. It's like that. Which my right now it's not going in there. I might have to one this and down until it goes in that hole. Let's try it again. Okay, much better. I guess it's okay like this. Let's screw it back in there. Just like that. Now make sure it's tight like it should. Now let's line this back up right here before we forget. Alright, that's good. Now make sure everything tight at the bottom. It's like my over here, like that. As you can see, the piece it's come off right here. It did not make it through, so I have just kind of put it up here. Long as that one is firm, that should be okay, and the one from the other end too. As you can see, right there, it's hard. It's stuck up there very good, so it shouldn't go nowhere. And then over here on the new clip is supposed to go right here, but the old one will not come out, so I just pry it open and slide the new one back inside that old one, and I think it should be okay. Shouldn't go nowhere. I'm going to pry it back together, and that will be permanent. And then as you can see over here as well, the bottom right here, I used old bolt over there and new bolt on this side, so it really don't matter if you got new one or not. It's okay. Since this video is not about brake changing, it's about cable, so I'm going to just put this out like this, and then it's ready to go back in here like that, like this. And then you can put your harbor back on and all the good stuff. Now let's start back in the inside. Put this wire up here like that, like it should, and then slide this side over here, and then the other side. That should be all right. And then get your secure plastic down back in here. It should click. It didn't make noise, but it clicked in there. It's now, it will not come up, it will not go nowhere. So, and then you can slide your rod back up here like this. Now it's ready to readjust it back in here. Just slide it back through in this hole over here. Hope it's good in. Oops. Like that. Now slide this back on the outside over here. Hope you can see it. I don't know. Now I hope you can get a better view over there, which maybe not. Okay, that should be good enough at the moment. It should be straight like that until you put your brake and you harbor back in. Make sure you adjust it back like it should, or make sure you trim it lies in easily, not hard or not too soft. As you can see over here, I got 3 thread over there. Same thing on the other side as well. Right here I can see thread as well, 3 threads as well. I know you can't focus, but this is my honest. Right there, see, right there, it's focusing better. That's it. Now to do the final adjustment in the inside, make sure you put the drum back in there before you do that. Just like that on both sides. So as you can see in the inside, they look even right here, but it's still that was lag over here. It's loose, but let's see how it acts. If it goes sideways, that means something's wrong. But let's pull this one up. See, as you see, my kind of tilt over a little bit. It's not as even, but if you see on this side like this, it looks even. So I think it's gonna be okay. It shouldn't be much different. It's very little. and let's let it go. As you can see, after doing that, it's kind of right now it's a lot of slack right now, so I'm going to adjust it more over here, right there. All right, finally, now as you can see, they still loose a little bit, but you gotta have some room when you pull this thing up like this. See right now, it's perfect. So like this, it should be perfect. After that, now you can put this nut back in there to lock it down. All right, this is now it's finished. I hope you're still there. This is how you do your adjustment too. You don't have to remove it from here, but you can adjust it from here. Make sure it ties back up, make sure it's even. If it's not even, that means one of your cable has stretched or it got broken somewhere. But if it looks straight like this, it's even, then that's good. I think you understand enough, so I'm not going to show you how to put this stuff back. I think if you know how you took it off, you can put it back in same place. Which that it just snaps in there and all this stuff, and there's another bolt over here. So I'm not gonna make this video longer as is right now. Well guys, it's very hot in this little car in here. Well, I appreciate you watching this video. Hope it helps you out. Hope you like it. If you don't mind, share this video with other friends or on your social media. That I would mighty appreciate for sharing, liking, subscribing. Until next video, bye for now. Ciao.